Hello everyone, this is a K-pop catch-up episode. As you can see, I have Chae's discography here, minus a few platform versions. Outside of Dreamcatcher and High Key, I no longer get platform versions, and Billy, I do get platforms of theirs, and I might start doing Purple Kiss. But outside of those, I don't get platforms unless it's the only option. So like this one, there was platforms and then like an actual Kino kit that I didn't get. But I think these two versions, there was also platforms, but I want the like photo book. Okay, I know that this was the first release that she did, titled Hush Rush. And I've been wanting these for a really long time. I just never got them. And so I finally decided that I was going to buy them. And I said, well, let's just buy everything. So this one is the influencer version. Honestly, like, these are really cool. So we've got this like clear bag that technically you could use if you wanted to. And then we've got these little things. They're like cardboard. I don't believe that they're like stickers or anything, but it's kind of like items that you would have in a bag. Some of them have little things on them. This looks like it could be some sort of like keychain type of thing. And we got the CD and just a clear jewel case. And then the photo book. The poster, I'm not sure if the poster is random or if it's the same one. And I'm not sure if that's just like a picture. I don't think that I will spend a whole lot of time going through all of these photo books because I believe there's definitely other people who have looked at them. And I have quite a bit to unbox here, so I'm just gonna flip through really quick. I've definitely really enjoyed her music that she has released, so yeah, so we've just got a sticker sheet. And it looks like we get 2 photo cards, and these are the ones that I got. This one is really cute with the sunglasses. And this is the vampire version. So it also comes with a little bag. One's got like an orange logo. We got another keychain type of thing. So this is what's in her vampire bag. We got the CD. This is really pretty, I think. I know some people like display CDs, and I think that's one that would need to be displayed. Again, just flip through this quickly. I've got this picture here. And a poster. This is really pretty. As well as another sticker sheet. And these are the photo cards. I believe this would be her next release, but I really like I Don't Want to Know. That's my favorite song by her. So these are your more typical photo book kind of things. Oh, and everything is right here at the front. So we got an ID card. We've got 2 photo cards. This one's got some lions on it from the ID, but there's those. Got a postcard, some stickers, and then just a message. I'm gonna leave the ID in here. Also a much larger poster in this one. Again, everything's right at the front. So this is the ID in this one. And we've got the 2 cards here. This one's so cute. A postcard, another message card, and more stickers. We got another poster. And we'll just do a little flip through. Was Over the Moon. And then I believe this would be her next release. It was just a single album. And this is the one that they only released the like platform versions for. So I really like these type of platforms where it's like an envelope. So we got the photo card holder thing, the instructions, 2 sticker sheets, and 3 photo cards. So we got the one with the QR code on it, and then 2 selfies. And we all have a stand. with instructions, and it looks like it's just the same stickers. And we've got the QR photo card, and then 2 selfies. The last version. The QR, and then we've got these 2 selfies, and then lastly this is her latest release. So we're back to having some photo book versions. This one's got a poster again. Everything is in the back. So there was a sticker sheet, a like ticket, message card you'd have to scratch off. This is like a trading card. It's a bit bigger than a photo card though. And 2 photo cards. So let's just flip through these really quick again. I really like her kind of darker concepts. I guess like the vampire-y vibes. And then our last version here. Get the poster. I liked the short hair a lot. So our inclusions for this one is stickers, another ticket, this trading card type of thing, another message card, and the 2 photo cards. And we'll just flip through really fast again. So here is the photo card haul from Yeon's album. So this is one copy or one version of every release she has, at least. So yeah, not bad if you think about it. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video.